Not to brag or anything, but in June of 2024, some of our clients saw more than a 200% increase in their total and quality call volume. And we saw that trend continue in July. I'm Hallie Wasinger, the Digital Advertising Director of Shop Marketing Pros, and this is how we increase our clients' Google ad performance using Performance Max campaigns. We can directly attribute these increases to the launch of Performance Max campaigns for our clients. Performance Max is a new type of campaign from Google Ads, if you didn't already know. This goal-based campaign allows you to access all of Google's inventory and is made up of copywriting, pictures, videos, and connected to your Google business profile to allow your ads to show across all Google platforms. That includes the Search Network, the Display Network, YouTube, Google Maps, and Gmail. Some differences between traditional search ads and Performance Max ads are that search ads can be made up of solely headline and description copywriting, while Performance Max ads must include headlines, descriptions, and pictures at the very least. But if you want to make your Performance Max campaigns even better, include some YouTube videos in there as well. Performance Max campaigns aren't keyword based. Performance Max uses real-time smart bidding based on your conversion goal to serve your ads across multiple channels rather than just when someone is searching for a keyword that you're targeting. Because Performance Max doesn't use keywords, you cannot add your typical negative keyword list to Performance Max campaigns like you can for your search campaigns. However, you can make a brand exclusions list, and we do this in order to exclude calls for local dealers and other competitors in our clients' targeted areas. So competitor research upfront is very important before launching a Performance Max campaign. It is important to note, though, that while we have seen Performance Max campaigns perform well and at a lower cost than traditional Google search ads, you shouldn't put all of your eggs in the Performance Max basket. There is still very much a place for Google search ads to hold their own, and we still see search ads perform well for our clients across the board. Even Google says that Performance Max campaigns are meant to complement your keyword search-based ads, not replace them. So if you're looking to increase your Google Ads performance, get your phone out, start recording some videos and taking some pictures, and launch a Performance Max campaign.